Describe a person you know who has a successful business.
区分
I'd like to talk about my Aunt May, who is one of the most successful business people I know. I've known her all my life, so I've seen her business grow from a tiny home operation into a well-known local bakery. She used to work in a hotel kitchen, where she developed a real passion for baking and became especially good at making cakes. About 5 years ago, she noticed that many people wanted attractive cakes that were not overly sweet. So she began taking custom orders from home. Her business now specializes in low-sugar baked goods, including personalized cakes and freshly made bread. I think the main reason for her success is that she never compromises on quality, even when ingredients become more expensive. She also listens carefully to customer feedback and remembers regular clients' preferences, which has helped her build a very loyal customer base. Today, she has 2 branches, and to me, that steady growth proves that her hard work and customer-focused approach have really paid off.
Practice every day. Keep speaking.